We are checking the pant, how to inspect the pant and what are the critical points for pant. So first of all, waistband shape should be even. Top stitching has to be even. SPI on all parts of garment has to be even as per standard. Since this is a twill heavy fabric, so this is SPI would be 7 to 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this SPI has to be 8, 7, 8 throughout the complete garment. Okay. Next, after waistband, we have to see the loop. Loop has to be straight, balanced from this point to this point. So this is the center. So after center, so this is like you see 5/4, and this is 5/4. So it means this loops are balanced from center to here. So let me explain the center of the pant. So center of the pant is always this is the rise is the center. So this has to be the center of the pant. So left and right has to balance. Measure. So this is now actually 11/4. So this is also 11/4. So this garment is balanced from center. So loop, first loop, left and right has to be even. Next we come to waist pocket. So pocket both side has to be even from this point to this point. Okay. So and pocket balancing from this point, it is 7.5. So this side also should be 7.5. So this is just yes, 7.5. Okay. After this front loops and this. After button closing, this should the under layer should not visible, and this zipper should not be visible. So this button placement is incorrect. So we have to move slightly button here, and then it is covering. So it has to cover. It should not be like this. It should be covered like this. So straight. And after closing button and zipper, fly should be straight. Fly should not be wavy. So this is slightly wavy. You can see here the zipper tape is visible. This is strong. This is not okay.
Yes,
okay. So fly has to be, and fly stitch has to be with proper shape. There is always shape on fly. Some buyers take like angular, and some buyers take this round shape. You must have seen some buyer take angular also, point with this point. So this all normally it has to be like this is the normal shape of the fly. Okay. So I explained after closing zipper, it should not be visible. And this is the bar tack is always required. This bar tack should be 1/8 above zipper stopper. So when somebody is opening, so there will be no pressure on this puller. Otherwise, if this tacking is not there, then it will come out. So this is very, very important. It has 1/4 above this point. So stretch goes on this point. Okay. And inside fly also has to be even, balanced, and the waistband shape of corner and height should be even. Stop kar de, band kar de thodi der. So, and this bar tack has to be on proper placement here and here with neat and clean. And bar tacks on here, pocket opening always has bar tack to give strength to the pocket. And this inside loop should be finished properly. There should not be more than this seam allowance has to be cut. You know, this is uneven slightly, so it has to be 3/8 maximum. Since this is a twill, so this is 3/8. Sometimes for a lighter fabric we can keep 1/4. Okay, now we turn to back. So this is actually a cargo pant. No, continue. This is actually a cargo pant. So now you can see this loop has to be center. So this is a center. So this is actually not slightly off. This point and this point of the center of the loop has to be matched. But this, they have matched the double needle. Basically, there is a double needle on this loop. So they have matched this double needle to double needle. So this is okay. So from here to here, here to here, loop has to be balanced. So again, from here to here, left and right, loop has to be balanced, both sides, left and right. So okay, then it comes to back pockets. Back pocket, first of all, placement from waist seam or waist edge. We can see waist seam. It has to be even left and right. So this is 2 3/8. So this should also be 2 3/8. So this is actually slightly 1/8 lower. So you can see this is going down and this is going up. So pocket has to be proper, even, should not be high low. Okay. Next point for pocket, we have to compare from here. Pocket from center back should be balanced. From top, from center back. So this is 2/4. So this also should be 2/4. So this is, yes. Right now I am measuring the flap placement. 1 3/8. So this is also, this is 1/8 difference. So you can see this is closer and this is slightly away. So from this point, it has to be balanced. Then inside, the gap between flap and pocket has to be even. So you can see gap inside between flap and pocket has to be even, both left and right. And then for snap pulling, this button, there should be another layer to be fused with this fabric layer, so that it gives strength. There should be and testing is always required for snap. Okay, so this is a thick fabric, so it's not required here, but here they have added one extra layer of the fabric inside for this snap, but this has strength, so this is okay. Next, when we since this is a heavy twill denim, or we have a garment wash, always twill denim is washing program. So what we have to do is we have to use again reinforcement fabrics inside the pocket self fabric, so that in washing the corner should not be damaged here. So inside we need to put fabric. So since this style is not heavy wash, so they have not attached that. But normally we have to attach a small part of self fabric here to give strength. Wherever this flap corner, so this is okay because there is already inside this facing is there for flap. But for pocket corners, here is okay, but this point can be damaged in washing. So these are the areas where we need to be very careful. Okay, now we come to rise. Rise should be again like front, back rise also should be balanced, left and right, and has to be proper shape, and important for fitting, because if schedule is not maintained properly in pattern or in swing, if they cut it more, or they if the pattern is not having this. Sometimes some factory pattern maker make it back rise more towards like this, so gap is not even. So this gives this is called shadow. It half-inch shadow width. So this complied front and back together, and then this shape. If it is small, like 5-inch, then fitting will be like too tight. You cannot sit. One person cannot sit if the saddle is not correct. So saddle is very, very important. So we have to maintain the back rise and front rise shape while stitching. So this is if this short, that means that pattern is not right. So normal cases, pattern will be corrected because fit will not be okay if the saddle is not right. So next we have to see again this cargo pockets on thigh, the placement. So this is front and this is front. So this is almost 4 5/8. So this is 4.5. So 1/8 difference. So there should be a marking on the pattern, and after stitching the side seam, we have to paste this facing and then flap and then pocket. So see, the marking should be correct, so that from this part to this part should be even. When you keep this part and this part even and top and bottom, then backside will automatically be okay. So this point and this point, from this point to this point has to be even. Okay, sometimes we have to see this pocket placement from bottom also. Sometimes this is some okay. So you can see slightly up and down. So either this is long or up pocket going up. Either this one is long from here to here, or pocket placement. So what now I measure, I keep this pocket placement like this, align, and then it has to match here. So something is wrong here from top. So this is slightly going up. So from all angle we have to see the balancing. So inseam and outseam, hip shape has to be perfect, and the bottom shape, and all top stitching should be balanced again, because this is the decoration part. So when there is a decoration part, so it has to be placed properly from top to bottom. When somebody is wearing it, should not be high low. So like this. ठीक है, I think.